ABML Morning Update. Nifty seen opening higher, tracking gains in Asian market helping intensify bets of a stronger finale. Global markets. US stocks rose on Friday for a second winning day in a row as the artificial intelligence trade regained its footing after experiencing volatility. Nasdaq gained 1.31%, while S&P climbed 0.88%. Dow also gained 0.38%. The jump marks a turnaround for the stock, which came under pressure this week after a report revealed that the cloud infrastructure company lost a key backer of one of its data center projects over worries about the company's debt and AI spending levels. That dragged down other stocks linked to AI, including Broadcom and AMD. Elsewhere, shares of AI chip darling Nvidia rose about 4% after Reuters, citing sources familiar with the matter, reported that the Trump administration is reviewing the prospect of the company selling its advanced AI chips to China. Earlier this month, President Donald Trump said that he will allow Nvidia to ship its H200 AI chips to approved customers in the country. European shares moved higher on Friday, with the region's benchmark hitting a fresh high as investors digested a swath of interest rate decisions. The Pan-European Stock 600 was preliminarily up over 0.4% at the closing bell in London, as the index hit a record 588.07 points, with major regional bosses in the green but sectors mixed. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on December 19th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.53% at 84,929, and the Nifty was also up 0.58% at 25,966. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 139 points at 26,170, signaling a positive start to the trading session. Private investment in India is set to strengthen in 2026, supported by easing monetary conditions and strong domestic demand. The RBI cut the repo rate by 125 basis points in 2025 to 5.25%, while retail inflation fell to 2.3% in November from 4.9% a year earlier. Economic growth is projected at around 7% in 2026. Central government capex rose 32% to 6.2 trillion rupees in April to October fiscal year 26, and total investments reached 14.6 lakh crore rupees in the first half of fiscal year 26, up from 7.8 lakh crore rupees last year. Corporate capex among 1,899 firms increased 11% to 9.4 lakh crore rupees in financial year 25, nearly doubling from 4.0 lakh crore rupees in financial year 21. Capacity utilization at about 75% and rising project launches indicate a gradual pickup in private investment. Focus for the day: UK GDP. Key corporate developments or policy actions. GE Vernova T&D India has won a multi-year contract from AESL Projects to design and execute a 2,500 megawatt HVDC VSC terminal station linking Khavda KPS3 to South Olpad. Tata Steel has received an order from the Central Goods and Services Tax and Central Excise Commissioner Jamshedpur, demanding 493.35 crore rupees in tax, 638.82 crore rupees in penalty, along with applicable interest. Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences has entered into a long-term lease with Andhra Mahila Sabha for about 1.168 acres in Chennai to set up a 300-bed super speciality hospital involving an investment of around 300 crore rupees. The company has also acquired an additional 6.94% stake in subsidiary Sarvijana Healthcare for 148.09 crore rupees, raising its total holding to 75.53%. Tata Chemicals subsidiary Tata Chemicals International has signed a share purchase agreement to acquire 100% of Singapore-based Nova Bay for 25 million euros, subject to customary conditions. Fund flow. FII bought shares worth 23.87 billion rupees, while DII also bought for 52.00 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.